Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Microsoft 365. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Microsoft 365? Microsoft 365 is our cloud-powered productivity platform. With a subscription to Microsoft 365. You can get the latest productivity apps such as Microsoft Teams, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, and much more. The ability to install on PCs, Macs, tablets, and phones, according to Microsoft. So it is a cloud-based powered productivity platform. So we need internet connectivity and an account in Microsoft in order to use this Microsoft 365. Okay guys, so this is the end of my short video. I hope that you have learned something new. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.